Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.